Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's lit? Chocolate chip. And if you're a returning subscriber, what's poppin'? Thank you guys so much for joining me today. As you've seen by the title, you guys, for today's video, I'm actually going to be reviewing a desk that I just got a couple days ago from Amazon, you guys. I believe the brand is ODK Furniture on Amazon.
I just need you to know I'ma always stay a blue strip, keep the shit 100. Yeah, cause loyalty don't cost nothing. I'ma hold it down, girl. I hope that's worth something. Yeah.
So you guys, fun fact, I've actually been deskless, you guys. I have been deskless for a couple months now, and it's kind of frustrating, you guys, because I really need somewhere to just sit down and edit my videos, respond to emails, do homework, study, all of that good stuff. So I've kind of just been doing it on my lap, you know, laying on my bed, but that doesn't always work out, you guys, because I'm the biggest procrastinator. And if I'm laying in bed trying to do my homework or responding to emails or editing videos, I will take 5 years to do anything. But anyways, you guys, fun fact, actually a couple months ago, you guys, I actually ended up getting rid of my bed, and I actually got this new one that you guys see back here. It's also from Amazon. However, you guys, when I got this bed was bigger than my old bed, so the desk that I had in the moment was way too big to be in my room at this point, because I don't know, I felt like I had too many things in my room, and I was just like, you guys, I was not having it. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like I cannot have too many things in my room, or else I get so frustrated. Like, I don't know if this is OCD or what it is, but I just couldn't, you guys. So I got rid of my desk, and I was actually on the lookout for a very minimalist desk, a small but cute desk that I can actually just fit somewhere in my room. And actually, fun fact, ODK Furniture reached out to me via email, so shout out to you, ODK Furniture. They actually ended up sending me the desk that I'm about to unbox for you guys today. I really wanted to film it because, you guys, this desk couldn't have been any more perfect, you guys. I literally was looking for something small, not something super small, but like I was looking for something that was like a very minimalist desk, something just so I can you know, sit down and actually edit or respond to emails or get to work or anything like that. So yeah, you guys, so shout out to ODK Furniture. But anyways, let me go ahead and stop talking so you guys can see this desk for yourself. But first, I'm actually going to show you guys this little speed up video of me actually unboxing the desk and building it. But yeah, so I'll catch you guys at the end of this video. Alright guys, so let's get into building. So I believe this comes with about 13 pieces, you guys, and then the instructions look pretty easy to follow. If you do purchase this one, every single piece does have a little sticker on it, and it has its letter on it, so this should make it easier to follow through with the really enjoyed it. Overall, you guys, I'm so shook. This little corner desk is perfect for my room, just because I was looking for something super minimalist, like something that didn't take up so much space, because my old desk ended up being too big after I got this new bed. But yeah, I just wanted something to just, you know, get down to work. So you guys, yeah, I'm obsessing over this desk, you guys. I love that it literally has that marble and the gold contrast. I think that is super beautiful. And you guys, so funny that my little chair that I have is actually marble and gold, and they sent me this desk, which I cannot believe it, because it's literally perfect for the theme that I already have going on in my room. But you guys, overall, I'm impressed. I love it. It's literally super sturdy, and I believe this retails for $129.99 on Amazon. However, they also do sell it directly through their website. And you guys, they actually did provide a discount code. So if you guys want to get 20% off of your purchase, make sure to use the code NELLYLOVE to get 20% off. So you guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you actually go and grab this desk, let me know. I want to know, because you guys, I'm not kidding you guys, the quality of this desk is so amazing. I cannot. But anyways, you guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and thank you so much, ODK Furniture, for this beautiful desk that is offered today's video. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.
I just need you to know I'ma always stay a blue strip, keep the shit 100.